What's up, guys? It's Future Kenzie VR here. So, before I started recording this video, I might have gotten the Deluxe pack, which means I have now unlocked all locations that you can go in. There are some that are probably unreleased, so, but anyways, this is my new look, and I bought this pack before I started recording the video. I asked my mom, obviously. But anyways, you know how in the last video I killed Granny. Well, guess what? She came back from the dead. Like, what? Oh, frick. I was so confused about this because how the heck do you even come back from the dead? But anyways. Yeah. Anyway, Future Kenzie VR here. Out. And let's get on with the video. What the? Oh yeah, I forgot. I got a new look. Ooh, and some new weapons over here. Yeah. I love my new look. Anyways. So glad that Granny's finally gone. What the frick? How are you back? I literally killed you. How the frick is Granny back? I am so confused right now. I still need a key card. Just want to go to the garage. Oh, and Roboti. Hi, Roboti. How are you? No! Haha! You know what? Granny, since you won't let me out, I can destroy your house. I'm gonna destroy some stuff, and you can't stop me. Nope. You're too slow. New claws, and they're very, very strong. I have some new, very strong claws, Granny. Don't even try me. I'm no longer. Yeah, I'm no longer having any panic modes. Yeah, what do you do for me? Shut up. I'm about to freaking lose my mind. Granny? You know what? I have some things here for you. Would you like banana peel? That is so good. Alright, let me grab all the other weapons before she wakes up. I have a bat. I can use it. I'm done with this taser. Finally found it. That's what you get for messing with me. Okay, Granny, you stay right there. I have a new... No. I still remember everything that happened. Granny! You know what? I have my baseball bat right here that you are not ready for. Granny, how dare you hit me with the freaking frying pan? I'm trying to hit Granny with a frying pan, not put this thing in my mouth. You. That's what you get, Granny. Don't you dare put your yacht in my face. I cannot control this bat. I hate you, Granny. That's why I'm going outside. You just stay there. Crap. She's still alive? After I tased her multiple times, slipped her with a banana peel, and hit her with the not frying pan, the bat? Like, I think Granny might be immortal. And she was faking her death. I thought she had more than one life. But no! She might be immortal. I need to get out of here. Okay. Now, I can finally go outside. This is the... What the... Why you calling me a cutie? And who is this? So there's more than one human here? Oh God. Ooh, an axe? Plenty of things to do with this. Hey, you want me to kill you with an axe? Ooh, a razor! This is perfect. Ooh, I would love to use to make electricity. Let's see what this does. Now, who is this guy? Is this some kind of engineer? Why is there an engineer living in our house? There's an engineer living in my house. I don't know if I can really accept this. What the fuck? What is that sound? What are you drinking, my dude? That is... I hate your voice. I want to shock you. Can I electrify you? Please? Why are you looking at me? Oh my gosh. Ew! What is that? Can I throw it at him? What are you doing, my guy? Ew, this is so gross. You can crawl, you know. What, can I eat it? Aw. Darn it. I was trying to chuck it at that guy. What if I chuck it at his leg? What if I put it on his leg? I can't put it on his leg. What if I just place it on his leg? Huh? Well, let's just hope he's not as a... Let's just hope he's not as a... Oh, what the... Boy! Why are you trying to throw a wrench at me? Oh, heck nah. I don't like this guy. Don't throw a wrench at me. I can shave your head off. Why the heck would you try and throw a wrench at me? Literally all I did was... Ew! Why are there so many bugs in here? I hate this place. I want to go outside. This guy's trying to throw a wrench at me? Like, what the heck did I do? All I did was chuck a freaking bug at you. And apparently you fainted because you're so scared of bugs. I can't throw... Why do you have TNT in your mouth? Why do you have TNT in your mouth? Can I light it for you, then? Can I light that for you? Like, what the frick, man? Oh, gosh. You dare try and throw a wrench at me? No, buddy. No! What are you drinking? And why do you have a stick of TNT in your mouth? I didn't put that in there. What is wrong with you? I am so confused on who this guy is. Why is there so many bugs in here? Why is there TNT in his mouth? I am just utterly confused. And how the heck do I even get out of here? Need keycard to bro, buddy, I'm gonna lose it. Well, where the heck is the secret room? And how do I get up there? What does this do? Oh, even more. Ew, even more. Stop drinking whatever that is. I don't. What happened to this car? And why are you following me? That's called karma for throwing a wrench at me. And oh my gosh, I really want to light that TNT. Stop drinking whatever that is. What is that? What is that? Is that what kind? I don't know what kind of drink that is, but it's... Hey, yo! Nah, bro, I caught you in 4K. I caught you in 4K, buddy. Because what on earth were you looking at? Hey, yo, buddy. Not again with the drinking. Shut! Okay, I do not like this guy. He is weird. Can I destroy everything? Ooh, it's good. No. Did you? You better not have tried to throw a wrench at me. All I did was throw a stick of TNT. It's not gonna hurt anybody. How do I get out of here? Is there a way to get up there? Maybe if I use the generator? Whatever this... You deserve to get hurt, dude. You deserve that. Ah! What is that? And why do you have TNT in your mouth? I am so confused. I hate this guy. I hate this guy. Get that TNT out of your mouth. If you leave it there, you're gonna explode. Even though I would rather you explode. I'm just trying to figure out how to get the frick out of here. What if I go in here? Ah! Alright, I made it. Now, how do I get out of here? And why is there a freaking guy in here? Like, is this supposed to be Granny's garage or just a random garage? Because this looks like just some random guy's garage, which I have no... Not again. Shut it! Anyways, I have no idea who this is. Where is Granny's house? Hey, yo, buddy. Quit looking at those pictures. I'm about to freaking... No, you get away from me. I don't want you. Oh, my gosh. Did Granny tell you to babysit me because you aren't doing a very good job? And I caught you in 4K twice. Oh my gosh, what is this street gonna be like? I kinda wanna go out. I mean, the girls do look pretty, but like, not in the way he likes that. Like, that is so weird. I want to tase him. Wait, I want to tase him. You're about to get tased, buddy. Oh, it's about to hurt more than you getting hammered. How old are you? And get that stick of TNT. What the frick are you doing, buddy? I'm just gonna drag you. What is bro doing? And don't you dare try to throw a wrench at me. I'm trying to save you, my guy. Get that TNT out of your mouth. Ah! Oh, it's stuck in my hand. Okay. Open your mouth. I'm trying to get the TNT out. I got it. Okay. That ain't gonna hurt anyone. Guess who's back? Guess who's back? You failed. Shut it. It's a dog picture? Is that a fox? Oh. What is bro doing? You're lucky I got that TNT out of your mouth. You would have died. Not again. I hate that. And I can't even... Okay, buddy. Get me up here. I said get me up there. There we go. I wonder what would happen if I get all those pictures up. And my hand's stuck. Okay, I need to get this picture all the way up there. Shouldn't be too hard. Oh yeah, that's easy. Got it. There we go. Okay, I did your work for you. Now let me out. I need to get out of here. Somehow. I still have to... Not again! What is that drink, dude? Ew! This cockroach is still here. Well, doesn't... Oh my gosh! This is the third time I've caught you in 4K. Why are you so obsessed with girls? That is so weird. Why won't you... I have no idea what that is. He could be drinking motor oil. If he's drinking motor oil, I really don't care. Where's the secret room? And how the heck do I get up there? Is there a way? Or what? Oh my gosh. What is he doing?
Huh?
Wait, what just happened? Oh! What just happened? I didn't even do anything. Chucking a bug at him. Aw. Didn't work. He's probably gonna want... Is he planning to throw a wrench at me? Oh no, he's not. He's just drinking what the ever the frick that is! Like, Brody, what is that drink? That's gonna make me laugh every single time. What does this do? Ooh, nice. Bye-bye. Ooh, where does that go? Secret tunnel? On it. There's no... What's that? Oh, the gym! Ooh, what is that? That is good. Is this a gym customized for me or something? Yeah. Oh man. Oh, what is this? Wait, I think I'm supposed to turn around and... Ugh. A punching bag! This is my own gym! I like this! It's stuck! This just proves I'm strong. He's probably looking at those girl pictures again. Of course, that's what he's doing. Bro really wants a woman. He wants a woman in his life, even though he's probably never gonna get one, because he works as an engineer in his living. Pigeon. You know how I am with pigeons. Fishies. Oh yeah, that's good. Why is there beer? What? Okay.
Pigeons.
Shut it. This guy, I swear. I just broke a cactus. Why is he so mad? Mushroom? Yum. Bro has terrible throwing. Get that pigeon out. Get down there. Shut it. Get this beer out of here. Now that I'm up here, my secret room should be somewhere. What is that sound, buddy? That is actually funny. Anyways, am I able to go to my secret room in here? I hope so, because well, what if I want to get out of here and I already got the deluxe pack? What is this? Oh. Well, that was not helpful at all. I can climb back up here. Okay, so where's my secret room then? Get out, pigeon. I have work to do. He can't even throw it at me. That's how dumb he is. That's how dumb that guy. And he's looking at the girls again. You are so weird, Mr. Engineer Man. Do you have a wife? 'Cause you definitely seem to be cheating on her. Not again. Shut it. Now, how the heck do I get out of here? That is one thing that I've been wanting to figure out for a while now. He cannot throw a wrench at me. If I'm this high up, then how are you going to be able to throw a wrench at me? Well, that's a different way of abusing me. I've been abused my whole life by Granny, and now it's this guy. Like, bro. I just love breaking stuff. It's satisfying. Stop! That's what you get. You're so rude. Not again. I hate this guy more than I hate Granny. Oh, I think I'm supposed to throw this to punch this thing. the? What the? Buddy, I'm not a... No, you better. Gosh, I really am not that strong, aren't I? A boxing ring. How do I get out? And where's Granny's house? Whoa. This looks cool. Hi, Chief. Let me outside. I don't know how to get out. Uh-huh. Winner. Huh? Do I hear breathing? Oh, God. Is that a dog? Oh, no. Who's that woman? She's probably a teenager. I don't think this... Help me, lady. That dog really does not like me. You stay away from me, you dog. And who is this woman? Ice cream! Ice cream. I want ice cream. Ooh, a free cone for me? I want this. Yum, yum, yum. What if I chuck this ice cream at the woman? I don't know who the heck this woman is. Ice cream! Ice cream! Ice cream! Who are you, lady? Who are you? Who are you? And why is there a dog here? Where is Granny's house? I'm trying to look for Granny's house right now. And I don't know who the heck this woman is. Can I go in there? Aww. I'm gonna knock this lady over. Does she not have a voice? I mean, this woman looks actually kind of pretty. What? Did y'all see that? Oh. Does she not do anything about it? I think she's just a normal, chill woman. This dog will probably attack me, though. Oh, God. Get away. Get away from me, dog. You can't attack me. You can't attack. You can't get me. You can't get me. Na 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 boo boo. Na 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 boo boo. Na 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 boo boo. Na 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 na. Meow 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 meow. I'm too quick. 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 Woohoo! Oh, more people? I thought that was it. I was about to get a little disappointed. Oh, I thought I saw another person here. Man. Yeah, is it just that lady? That's kind of disappointing. What? Dandelions? just gonna whack all of them. I don't have a key card. Because I don't know how to get a key card. That's why I bought the deluxe pack. What is that? Paint? Ooh. Actually, I'm gonna use this. I can paint? I can paint! Cool, I like this. What if I ate the paint? I could still paint like that. I might be running out of paint, or it's just me. I think this is how a real cat would paint on the wall. I think this is how a real cat would paint. Even though they can't hold a toothbrush. Or not. I called it a toothbrush. I meant paintbrush. I'm glad that lady doesn't do anything about me just shucking at her. Woo! You know what? I think I'm gonna go visit the butcher shop now. But I'm going to go to but he's staying in the garage until 4. Oh great. Oh great. In a butcher shop. There's so much meat and ew! Who is that guy? You look ugly. That guy looks so ugly. Ew, I don't even want to look at him. Oh! I was trying to knock them down and I just completely chucked in. I just wait. Are you trying to hit me with that chicken leg? No. Where the heck am I supposed to go? I don't know where I'm supposed to go. Oh my god. Okay, I had no idea where I was supposed to go, so I just hit him. I'm going to... I think I should get up there. Nice. Can't hit me. What the? What the? Okay, this guy is just the weirdest out of all of the people I've met here. That girl is the nicest. Like, the woman in the street is the nicest out of everyone. Well, everyone else just wants to kill me. That guy is so ugly. I can't even look at his face. Oh! Another one? Plants. Okay, you are so weird, and I hate the noises you make. What is that? What is that? That is safe? Can I open it? Totally not gonna steal your money. Let me up there. Let me up there, guy. I have no idea what the frick your name is, and I don't know why I'm stuck with you. I just want to get up there. I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it. Get me up. No. I'm gonna die. What the f... You stay away from me. Get away from me, man. My paws, they're stuck. I can't get out. No matter what I do, my paws, they'll always be stuck. Ugh. Oh God, my paws. Why are you smiling at me? Ah.